Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming you have the required access and a backup. First, sign into the Google account in Chrome or go to Windows Settings, right arrow Accounts where signed-in accounts appear. Make sure Drive and important emails are backed up. Use Google Takeout if needed. Once done, close unrelated browser tabs and verify you know the account password or that you're using an admin Windows profile. Now proceed to the account list so you can select the specific Google account you want to remove. You'll remove the Google account from Chrome by opening the profile icon at the top right, then selecting Manage People or Profile Settings. Click the three dots on the profile associated with the account and choose Remove or Delete. This clears saved cookies, extensions tied to that profile, and local browsing data unless you opt to keep it. Make sure to confirm the action. If you use multiple profiles, repeat for each profile tied to that account. This disconnects Chrome Sync and signed-in services on this laptop. Finish by removing the account from Windows if it was added system-wide. Go to Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow Email and Accounts, select the Google account, and remove it. Then sign out of any remaining Google services in other browsers and reboot the laptop to ensure tokens expire. If sign out fails, clear the browser cache or open an incognito window and verify you're signed out. Sometimes cached credentials persist. If problems continue, revoke device access from your Google account security settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.